How you doing, everyone? This is going to be a video about my dead cat. I was watching a video the other day on YouTube about a guy who had a pocket video camera similar to a Sony Bloggie. It was a different brand, but it doesn't matter. And he was always complaining about the wind noise. So he made a dead cat for it. And a dead cat is that big fuzzy furry thing that you see on boom microphones that they use in Hollywood and whatnot. You know, they, especially when they're outside, it cuts down on the wind noise. So I decided I'd try to do it. He made his from the fur from a teddy bear, and it worked surprisingly well. So I made one, and I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. It's the fuzzy thing on my camera, that little white spot. I'll show you one more time here before I got my spot. You see that? Okay. So anyways, let's see how it works. The helmet's open. I'm going to get up to speed and see how windy it is, how noisy it is. So I'm doing 70K, which is, I don't know, 45 miles an hour. Now I'm doing 80K, that's the equivalent of 50 miles an hour. And I'm curious how it sounds. Now, I tried this the other day on my heat wave video. At the beginning of it, I didn't implement it yet, but partway through is when I had this idea, and I made up this little piece of cotton thing. As you can see, it's still there. And I put it on, and I'm pretty sure it made a difference on the quality of the sound. So I'm just going to close it now. My eyes are watering. So anyways, I think it works pretty good. But anyways, let me know what you think. Leave a comment. I'm always curious. But like I said, it's just a piece of cotton that you get in, you know, a bottle of pills. I just used some tape to tape it on there. Just some Scotch tape, cut some really thin strips and just kind of around the outside edge to hold it on, and that's about it. Yep. Not a whole lot, much else you can do really.